Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how North Korea looks. We'll explore its distinct visual characteristics, from the capital city's impressive structures to the vast rural landscapes. You'll discover the unique blend of socialist realist architecture and traditional Korean elements. We'll also touch upon the natural beauty that defines much of the country, offering a comprehensive overview of its appearance. The contrast between urban and rural areas in North Korea is quite striking. Pyongyang showcases a modern, planned city with towering apartment blocks and grand public spaces designed to impress. However, venture outside the capital, and you'll find a different reality. Rural life is characterized by simpler, often traditional housing and extensive agricultural lands, reflecting a more agrarian lifestyle. North Korea's architecture is a powerful expression of its national identity. You'll see many examples of socialist realist design, characterized by massive, imposing buildings and grand public monuments. Structures like the Juche Tower and the Mansu Hill Grand Monument are iconic, often featuring statues and mosaics. These designs are not just functional, they are deeply symbolic, conveying messages of strength and unity. Daily life in North Korea presents a unique visual. In cities, you'll observe people utilizing public transport like trolleys and the Pyongyang Metro, which is quite ornate. Clothing tends to be conservative, and military uniforms are a common sight, reflecting the country's strong emphasis on defense. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.